We train day and night, in the air, on water, in confined spaces and down in the dirt. We sweat, we cry, pushing ourselves to the limit. We will face challenges, but we know we don't face them alone. It takes commitment, time and persistence to become better, to become the best in the world. It takes more than players to give us what we need to achieve, because only by working together do we grow stronger, mentally and physically, improving our aim, preparing for the obstacles we will have to overcome. I use what I learned to help me make split-second decisions, to communicate with those needing direction,
and focus in when my senses are tested.
So when I face those mountains and look around me for support, I know I can rely on others for that shared competitive spirit that will bind us when needed. Because when it comes to that moment of truth, I know we are no ordinary team.